Struggling with stubborn belly fat that just won't go away, no matter how much you diet or exercise? These 10 simple drinks can shrink your waistline faster than you think. In today's video, I'll show you 10 simple but powerful drinks that can fire up your metabolism, flush out stubborn fat, and keep cravings under control. If you've tried everything and nothing seems to work, these drinks could be the missing piece. Let's get started. Number 1. Lemon Ginger Detox Water. Let's start with the classic, Lemon Ginger Detox Water. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which boosts your metabolism and helps your body break down fat more efficiently. Ginger, on the other hand, has a compound called gingerol that revs up your digestive system, reduces bloating, and even controls appetite. Put them together, and you have a powerhouse drink that makes your belly feel lighter within days. Making it is super simple. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water, grate in a small piece of fresh ginger, and sip it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Warm water helps kickstart digestion, and drinking it before breakfast means your body absorbs the nutrients faster. Many people notice less bloating within a week of doing this consistently. Now, does this mean lemon ginger water is a magic bullet? Not by itself. It sets your metabolism in motion, so when you eat healthy and move your body, fat loss happens more smoothly. The best time to drink this is in the morning. Trust me, it beats coffee when it comes to waking up your system naturally. Number 2. Green tea with a twist. You've probably heard green tea is great for weight loss, but let me explain why it's one of the best belly fat burners. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown in multiple studies to boost fat oxidation. Your body burns more fat for fuel, especially around your midsection. But here's a trick: add a squeeze of lemon. Because vitamin C from lemon helps your body absorb more of those fat-burning catechins. Without it, your stomach acid can destroy a lot of them before they get absorbed. So, green tea with lemon is basically the fat-burning upgrade you never knew you needed. The best way to prepare it is to steep 1 green tea bag in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes, squeeze in some lemon, and drink between meals. Morning or mid-afternoon works best because it gives you a natural energy boost without the crash of coffee. Drink this consistently, and you'll notice your waistline tightening up in a matter of weeks. Number 3. Apple Cider Vinegar Drink. This one has stirred up a lot of controversy, but research backs it up. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which slows down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream, helps control cravings, and reduces belly fat storage. In fact, a study published in Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry found that people who consumed 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily lost more belly fat over 12 weeks compared to those who didn't. But listen, never drink it straight. That can damage your teeth and your throat. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a big glass of water and drink it before meals. Some people like to add a dash of cinnamon or honey to soften the taste. The best time to drink it is before lunch or dinner. It helps you feel full faster and prevents overeating. Just make sure you don't go overboard. More is not better. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Think of apple cider vinegar as a little appetite controller that helps you stop snacking and start burning fat where it matters most, around your belly. Number 4. Cucumber Mint Water. Now let's cool things down with cucumber mint water. This isn't just refreshing, it's a sneaky way to torch belly fat while keeping you hydrated. Cucumbers are over 95% water, which makes them incredibly low in calories but high in fiber. They help flush out toxins and reduce bloating, giving your stomach a flatter look almost instantly. Mint, on the other hand, soothes your digestive system and helps food move smoothly, reducing chances of bloating or indigestion. Together, cucumber and mint make you feel refreshed and light, like you've hit a reset button on your belly. To make it, slice half a cucumber, add a few fresh mint leaves, and drop them in a jug of cold water. Let it sit for at least an hour so the flavors infuse. Drink it throughout the day instead of soda or juice. Not only does it keep cravings away, but it also makes plain water exciting enough that you actually want to drink more. Hydration, by the way, is one of the most underrated fat loss hacks out there. Number 5. Black coffee. Yes, coffee makes the list, but only if it's black. Coffee contains caffeine, which stimulates your central nervous system and boosts fat burning by up to 10–29% in the short term, according to several studies. That's why athletes often take caffeine before workouts. It literally makes your body burn fat for fuel. The trick here is to drink it without sugar or cream. The moment you add syrup, milk, or whipped cream, you're turning your fat-burning drink into a dessert. Black coffee, however, is almost 0 calories and pushes your body into using fat stores for energy. The best time to drink coffee for fat loss is about 30 minutes before your workout. It enhances endurance and helps you burn more calories during exercise. If you're not working out, stick to mornings or early afternoons, never at night, unless you enjoy staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m. Think of black coffee as your fat-burning accelerator pedal. Just don't overdo it. 1–2 cups a day is plenty. Number 6. Warm cinnamon water. If you've ever craved something cozy that also works wonders on your belly fat, cinnamon water might just be your new best friend. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, which means fewer energy crashes and fewer cravings for sugary snacks. Stable blood sugar also signals your body to store less fat, especially around the belly area. Some studies even show cinnamon can mimic the effects of insulin, helping your body process carbs more efficiently instead of turning them into fat. To make it, boil a cup of water, add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder or a cinnamon stick, and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it warm, almost like tea. It's soothing, calming, and slightly sweet even without sugar. If you want a little extra flavor, add a squeeze of lemon or a teaspoon of honey, but only if you're not strictly cutting calories. The best times to drink it are either in the morning on an empty stomach to kickstart your metabolism, or before bed to keep late-night cravings in check. Think of it as a gentle hug for your stomach, warming, healing, and quietly working in the background to reduce belly fat. Number 7. Aloe vera juice. Now this one is a hidden gem. Aloe vera is usually known for skincare, but drinking aloe vera juice has incredible benefits for digestion, detoxification, and fat loss. It contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation and enzymes that help break down sugar and fat more efficiently. By improving digestion and reducing bloating, aloe vera juice helps your belly feel flatter almost instantly. To prepare it, you'll need fresh aloe vera gel, about 2 tablespoons. Blend it with a glass of water or citrus juice like orange or lemon for flavor. Some health stores even sell bottled aloe vera juice, but make sure it's unsweetened and natural. The taste is mild and slightly bitter, but it pairs well with citrus. The best time to drink aloe vera juice is in the morning before breakfast. That's when your body absorbs nutrients most effectively. It works like a natural cleanser for your gut, flushing out toxins and setting up your metabolism for the day. Consistency is key. Drinking it a few times per week can noticeably improve digestion, energy, and fat burning around your belly. Number 8. Turmeric golden milk. This one might surprise you. Turmeric golden milk. Turmeric has a compound called curcumin, which is famous for its anti-inflammatory effects. Belly fat isn't just extra weight, it's linked to inflammation in your body. By reducing inflammation, turmeric helps your body stop storing so much fat around your stomach. Golden milk is made by warming up unsweetened almond or oat milk, adding half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, which boosts curcumin absorption, and a little cinnamon. Not only does this taste cozy, but it also helps relax your body and improve sleep. And guess what? Poor sleep is one of the biggest hidden reasons people can't lose belly fat. That's why drinking golden milk before bed works like magic. It calms you down, reduces stress hormones like cortisol, another belly fat culprit, and sets you up for deeper sleep. Better sleep equals better fat burning. So if you've been struggling with late-night cravings or restless nights, this warm drink could be your secret weapon. Number 9. Protein-packed smoothie. Here's the big one that ties everything together: protein smoothies. Because belly fat is often linked to overeating and constant cravings. Protein is the ultimate appetite controller. It keeps you full for hours, helps you build lean muscle, and boosts metabolism since your body burns more calories digesting protein than carbs or fat. The more lean muscle you have, the more fat your body burns, even when you're just sitting on the couch. A fat-burning smoothie could include 1 scoop of protein powder, unsweetened almond milk, half a banana, a handful of spinach, and a teaspoon of chia seeds. You can also throw in cinnamon or cacao for flavor. It tastes like a treat, but it's secretly helping you torch fat. Best time to drink it is post-workout. That's when your muscles need fuel, and giving them protein helps repair and grow. Or you can use it as a meal replacement for breakfast. It gives you steady energy, reduces cravings, and keeps your metabolism firing all day. This isn't just a drink. It's like a full, fat-burning strategy in a glass. Number 10. Pineapple and cinnamon smoothie. Pineapple is loaded with bromelain, a digestive enzyme that helps break down protein and reduce bloating. It's sweet, hydrating, and gives you that tropical vibe while secretly helping your waistline shrink. Add cinnamon, which balances blood sugar and reduces fat storage, and you've got a drink that feels indulgent but works like a belly fat assassin. To make it, blend 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a cup of water or unsweetened almond milk, and a few ice cubes. You will get a sweet, refreshing smoothie that crushes cravings and keeps you satisfied. Best time to drink it is mid-afternoon snack or post-workout refreshment. It keeps your metabolism running high and prevents you from reaching for junk food. This one is so tasty you'll forget it's healthy, but your waistline will thank you. These 10 drinks are simple, delicious, and magical for burning belly fat fast. Subscribe now for more daily healthy tips.